feel like you're missing out on current affairs or you don't even know where to start, imagine getting a topic every morning and by night you are in a live discussion with a mentor who has already done all the heavy lifting for you. At my PrepZone, we cover everything from facts to figures, pros to cons, making sure you're always prepared. The best part? We give you a very concise summary after each and every current affairs discussion or a very quick revision later on. So even if you have never ever followed the news in your life, we have gotten you covered. Every day, every topic, you're just one step closer to acing your GDPI. Sounds like a game changer, right? Interviews can be intimidating, right? But what if you could practice with not just 2 or 3 mock interviews, but 7? At my PrepZone, we don't just stop at mock interviews. You can pick your own interviewer for each session, giving you exposure to different perspectives. And yes, after 7, many of our students even get add-ons to take up to 12 to 14 interviews as well. And after every mock, you get a very detailed written feedback in your performance tracker by the mentor, so that you can always go back and you know where you stand and what to improve on. Imagine walking into a real interview confident and prepared. It's more than just a practice, it's about mastering your PI game one step at a time. Feeling lost with all the content out there? Ever wonder where to begin with topics like the Russia-Ukraine war or how to explain simple GDP versus GNP in an interview? We know it is too much overwhelming. That's why at my PrepZone, we have compiled an A to Z content portal that covers each and everything. History, finance, geography, graduation, and even beyond. And everything is in a very engaging video form. It's like having a knowledge bank at your fingertips. No more scrolling through endless articles. Just clear, concise, and easy to understand content in every format. That is what gives you the extra edge when you walk into the interview room, and that's in fact a recipe for 97% conversion rate. You've probably heard promises of one-on-one mentorship before. But how often do you actually get personalized guidance? At my PrepZone, we have cracked the code. Based on your academic background, work experience, and your best B-school call, we match you with a personal mentor who has walked the exact path you're about to take. Imagine being mentored by someone who understands your journey because they've actually lived it. Whether it's your SOP, personal HR form, or even mock interview feedback, everything is tailored to your profile. And it's not just mentorship, it's the mentorship perfectly designed just for you. That's how we help you convert your dream B-school call. Books and study material can pile up, right? We all know how easy it is to just keep on adding material to a to-do list and then never really get to it. But at my PrepZone, we have ditched the heavy reading material. Instead, we bring you the live sessions where you're engaged right from the first minute itself. You're not just listening to us. However, you're participating, answering questions, discussing your real-time point of views on different current affairs topics with our mentors and getting feedback as well. So no more backlog, no more cramming before the interviews. This way, you retain what you learned and feel more prepared and confident for the big day. No stress, just progress. Ever been asked to write about an abstract or a current affairs topic and felt completely stuck? Happens quite often, right? Because writing isn't just about words, it's about structuring your thoughts clearly. That's why at my PrepZone, we place a lot of importance on that, even if your B-school doesn't really require that, because we believe that this skill is essential for both VET as well as PI. So you'll submit your write-up, you'll receive a graded feedback from your mentors, and even get a model write-up written by us to compare with. Yes, you have heard it right. Even the mentors write on the topic that we give to you so that you have something to sort of compare with. It's all about honing your articulation and learning how to think clearly on paper, because that skill will serve you well beyond just VET. Oh man, current affairs can feel like an endless ocean, right? You dive into one topic and before you know it, you're drowning in details. At my PrepZone, we make it pretty simple for you. We provide you 150 plus crisp one-pager summaries covering the last 2 years of key events. And these are not just the random summaries, they are tailored for B school interviews. So you know what exactly is important for you. And these are even written by the B school alums for you. You'll never have to go hunting for information. Everything is organized and ready for quick revision before your interview. Just think of it as your cheat sheet to acing current affairs. Ever faced a stress interview where questions came at you like bullets? That is why we have weekly rapid fire sessions at my PrepZone. What happens here is mentors ask quick fire questions about literally everything, right from the meaning of your name to as crisp as India's GDP ranking. These are the static questions you'll even face in your real interviews, and we make sure you're prepared for them. These sessions build your confidence and ensure that you handle the toughest interviews with ease. It's like training under pressure, so you're calm and composed when it matters the most. Revising your entire graduation syllabus in just 3 months sounds impossible, right? Especially if you didn't pay much attention back then. We've all been there. But with my PrepZone, you don't have to do it alone. We've got discussions, summaries, and question banks tailored for every graduation stream, right from electrical, mechanical, chemical, BR, law, commerce, arts, doctorate, everything. Plus, peer discussions with mentors ensure you're not just learning one way, but you're understanding as well. This means you can confidently answer subject-related questions in your PI without feeling overwhelmed. Your past knowledge restructured for future success. Wow, that has been a relief for thousands of students. 2 students applying for the same B school. Are they competitors? Well, not at my PrepZone. Here, your batchmates are your biggest allies. Whether it's discussing forms, reviewing answers, or tackling current affairs together, we build a community of collaboration, not competition. And it's not just peers. You'll also connect deeply with mentors, forming bonds that go beyond the classroom. It's this support system that keeps you motivated and focused, ensuring you're always just moving forward. Have you ever received feedback that feels more like a roadblock than help? For instance, this answer is too generic. Rework. Your YMB answer is not good. You'll have to make it more specific. Now, what does that even mean? At my PrepZone, we believe in giving feedback that's actionable. Every SOP or HR answer you submit gets detailed point-by-point feedback with examples and comments on exactly how to improve. There are no vague suggestions, just concrete advice to help you write something that stands out. While we don't write answers for you, but we give you the tools to craft the best version of your story. Every B school is different, so why settle for one-size-fits-all prep? For example, IMK focuses more on current affairs and gender diversity topics. IIM Lucknow focuses more on acads. IIM Calcutta more on mathematics, and IIM Ahmedabad focuses more on abstract topics. At my PrepZone, we offer tailored and personalized coaching for each and every B school call of yours, whether it's IIM Ahmedabad's AWT or SPJIMR group interview or Narsi Munji case discussion. Our mentors have been through these processes themselves, and they know exactly how to prepare you for each one. With personalized, college-specific sessions, you'll be ready for whatever comes your way. It's not just about clearing interviews, it's about knowing what to expect and being ready for it upfront. Well, we know you must be thinking how to find such place. Hence, we bring you my PrepZone. You cracked CAT, nailed your GDPI, and now you're about to step into B school. But what comes next? Summers and the CV building process, the most daunting parts of your MBA journey. You've probably heard the stories about how the first 2 trimesters leaves you with no time to sleep, let alone have fun. Well, those stories are kind of true. It's intense. And the key is to be prepared even before you start. That's exactly why we created our Career Booster course designed specifically for MBA incoming students. And if you are part of our GDPI program, you even get a 50% discount. Whether you are aiming for consulting, finance, product management, or even HR, we've got you covered. Industry experts, all alumni from top 5 B schools will lead sessions tailored to each domain. Plus, you'll experience summer mock PIs and get your CVs reviewed with your master CV and one-pager draft ready before you even step foot on the campus. Feeling a bit overwhelmed? It might sound like a lot, but trust us, it's worth to ensure you navigate your MBA journey smoothly. Want to join in? Enroll in India's #1 GDP advanced batch with my PrepZone and secure your place among the best.